time for a frozen screen when the whole room wants your head. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. Markets went beast mode on us. Rooms got cold and loud. Everybody talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. No victory lap, no clean win, just a pulse in my chest. Just the work, just the wreckage, just the weight I address. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. This for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind. But I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak. But they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no stall. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't bet the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Leading hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright starts never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a dead.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall.
Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the doubt off, watch it drop. Bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, chop, chop. Rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop. I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in, weight on my shoulders. Turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking, only sharpens up the rock. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 chop. Step by step, I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base. Built from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop. I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, 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 chop. Crowd in my chest, it shouts. Bank on chop. Bank on chop. Bank on chop, 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 chop. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so. And it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone. But they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console. But I'm holding on to hope.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Power Hour special with your boy Maestro, and Logan will be here shortly. Just handle a little phone call, but we're ready to eat this chop up. Hopefully we get some good movements. We just watched a nice little dump happen. Way more violent than I thought, but we are in uptrend, so I'm kind of watching. All right, it's just bouncing off of the top of orb, so I'm just kind of watching where it wants to go. Whew. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everybody traded safe. I saw that there was insane ATR early in the day. And there are the little issues with well charts that have since been fixed. So I have not experienced any issues myself. Don't overtrade. No, you can't tell me what to do, future. Screw you. You're not my dad. I do what I want. I do what I want. Okay? Don't go tilt. I'm about to go tilt. I'm about to press buy like 25 times right now. I'm still looking where this could push up to. It's already kind of going. He's already too late. I was looking at 14 to hold. But if this is going to be a flipping trend on the 1 or the 2, there's going to be a little bit of retest somewhere. But if the 5 is still uptrending, that's where I wanted to kind of see that bouncy bounce. But we'll see. Not financial advice with JG's as usual. You are in the wrong Discord. We do not do signals. Yeah, we don't really do signals. I read my levels. I read what I see. Right. I do say what areas of interest we're in. Sometimes we say we're in. Well, most of the time we'll say we're in. But we're not going to be like,
Hi, I'm back.
press the button here. Not financial advice. I want to see if this blue candle breaks and the downtrend continues. I want to see if it would get back underneath 829. And then 825 needs to break next. And that'll be the flip on the 1 minute. But for now, I'm eyeballing the 5-minute uptrend if this is going to be where the higher low is made. But we will see. We will see. Right now, I don't see anything clear other than that bounce from the bottom of the top of orb. That was the missed opportunity there. Well, I was getting everything else ready.
I want this tournament to update because I should be in 7th place. It says I'm in 11th place.
Did you
10th,
catch
11th.
up?
Yeah, I was at $20,000.
Fuck
I made
yeah,
20K
dude.
today.
All right, let's see if we are gonna flip to a downtrend on the 1 minute. If this breaks below here, I might test a short. It has to close below 825, and you see a break and retest of 825 to 830. But needs to close below first, and then I love to see a retest. It would be freaking great if it did.
Where is Jack's screen?
It just melts.
I
It
don't
just
really know where
melts.
Jack's screen is.
What's Jack's green?
I don't know. The guy's looking for Jack's screen, and I don't know.
Is it supposed to be a play on a word? Oh, she's okay. Here's a retest. Oh, it's not going in. It's not going deep as I want. That's what she said.
Logan, did you pass the evaluation accounts after 8:30 news broke? No, because I do not degen news. I don't degen. I don't try and pass accounts on news because it just builds bad habits. I trade.
This is a
everything
scary
the same.
area. This is a scary area to take a short because we're just at the top side of orb. Very scary. With that little pull up. Give me 12 at least. This is a scary area. I'm already at break even. I entered at the pull up 20 just because, again, this is a scary area. If it takes me out, it takes me out.
What are you, no longer or short?
Short. I'm testing this little, but we're at the top of orb, so this is like I already went break even if it doesn't play out because it could retest 30. It didn't go as far up as I wanted to. I'm looking for 12. Nope. Took me out. Took me out. That's fine. This is a dangerous area to short it at, so that's why I went immediately break even on that. Top side of orb, super scary. 5 minutes still uptrending, so. But 3-bar failed, so let's see what she wants to do now. We're gonna range? Or are you gonna strat 6 me? There was that, oh, it did pull up to 30, damn it. Top side of orb is very scary. I do not like to play against orb.
Trade right now.
I'm just gonna wait.
$520.
Fuck yeah.
Funny that I can see everybody's trades.
Oh wait, you can see everyone's live trades like what on the
It shows
tournament?
recent ones that go through. Yeah.
That's freaking cool.
The thing that's lame is it says silver's been traded for most of the product profits, which I'm like, man,
Not surprised.
my only silver trade I took, I lost, and I'm up
Not
fucking
surprised.
$20,000 on MNQ.
Oh yeah,
All
you
of my
got cooked on
profits
that
are
trade
straight
yesterday.
MNQ. That's so lame.
I
Yeah, dude, I got
forgot. I forgot. The silver is so like beastly with that. Like it's either gonna bless you or it's gonna just send you straight to hell. All right. Well, I think we're gonna get trapped in a range. I think I'm looking at it and it looks like it might get trapped unless it can hold above this 830. What is this level at? 833.50. Needs to close above 833.50 and hold, and then we got to push back up to 857. And if this 5-minute uptrend continues, then we should push through 857 up to 869, 866.
Oh, I don't have ninja charts on. Oh shit! My bad. Thank you.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Well, I took a break even. I got another break even trade, so I got $0 for power hour so far. I want to see if it pulls back to that. Like if it closes that over that 36, 33, and then can pull back, and I'll see if this uptrend wants to continue. So it did close over. There goes. There's the pullback. Unless this gets trapped in the chop zone. That's what I'm afraid of, that this will get trapped in this chop zone that I'm looking at. So there's a nice 5-point bounce, but I don't want 5 points. I want more than 5 points.
I saw you were up there. You see, there was a lot of people that were ahead of me. I joined late. I technically didn't really trade until this morning, while being down 1,000. So I clawed back to get ahead of everybody.
All right, there's that retest. Stop loss will be below 825. Trees at 33.75, 43.75. Where you at? There you are. All right. Let's see if she wants to continue to push up or if we're going to get trapped in the chop. If we get trapped in the chop, then I'm going to sit on my hands for a little bit. And I'm going to take one break even and one L potentially. Let's see. I'm going to hold this 30. Let's push it back up. If not, chop zone. Then I'm going to keep an eye where the chop range is going to be. It's just bouncing around it right now. So I'm up only a point right now. 2 points, 0 points, minus a point, minus 2 points. What's the dollars? Minus $60. No, don't stretch 60. My stop loss is at 824. No, I'm gonna take my L. Oh my gosh, he's gonna take me out. Purple coming in. No. Oh my god, I survived. Oh, I hit 824.50. Oh, she heard me. She heard me. She's gonna take me out. Watch. She heard me. She's like, "We coming for you, boy. We're coming for you, boy." Oh, get back up there. Come on. I needed to break over 36 now, though. So this is definitely forming this range. I can already kind of see it. So I might get trapped here in this range while the 5-minute decides whether it wants to continue to uptrend or flip to a downtrend. Whoa, that was loud. I think my son just slammed the door. Oh my god. All right. This is she's just messing with me. She's just teasing me right now. She's just teasing me right now. Oh god. She's looking kind of weak. Those rejection wicks. Don't like them. But whatever. I'm in. If it takes me out, it takes me out.
Second.
She
Right
heard me
back.
already. She knows where I'm at. What's a 2-minute candle look like? 2 minute. 2 minute doesn't look so good either. And oh, there we go. Took me out. Took it down. Took it down. Took it out. It's okay. See, I lose, guys. See, it happens to me too. I take L's. Woo! All right. What's next? Now I'm gonna wait for this chop zone. This chop zone, this 20-ish area should be the bottom. So if I got strat 6, I got strat 6. Looks like the top is around 838, 840. But we'll see. We'll see. It needs to. I need to see a little more action before I get that range, the range levels. But for now, I don't have anything concrete. Yeah.
Server muted.
Oh my God, she's gonna strat 6 me. I know it. I just know it. You bitch! You bitch! If I see it pull up to 843, I'm gonna bitch slap something. I just don't know what yet. But 843 would kind of be the tippy top of the chop.
Great presentation at the summit, Logan. Thanks. Appreciate that, Sheila. Logan,
Where did that
absolutely.
bounce from
Yeah.
820?
Logan, do you use EMAs? I do not. VWAP? Nope. I don't use any of that
I
stuff.
use VMAs, and I don't use VWAP though. I do not use VWAP. 9 is one of my favorite ones. I've said that before. Stop over trading? No, futures. You can't tell me what to do. Okay.
Give
Now
me
I'm
a
just gonna watch. I'm gonna
straw.
wait to see if I can get this chop zone.
Give me this giant fucking bag for a little burrito and no straw.
Dude, I noticed that. Dude, I noticed that they forget utensils, napkins, and straws around here. Like at an ungodly rate. Like when we DoorDash while we had nothing, there was like always straws missing and no utensils. And it was pain in the
DoorDash.
ass. Freaking I don't think that's DoorDash's fault. I think that's a restaurant. They're supposed to pack that shit in there.
No, it's DoorDash. If you're grabbing somebody this, bring them a straw. Maybe the bag
That's
was
true.
closed.
You're right.
Maybe he couldn't see in the bag.
But
It was stapled closed.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's all about the bag. Look at the 820 bounce again. Oh my God,
he just
I
did a
did
fucking-
enter at the 820 bounce this time. I entered at the 820 bounce. Yeah. Guess what? You can't tell me what to do, bitches. I'll overtrade if I want. And there goes my runner. No. That was a nice little 13-point bounce off that 829. Well, it was 819. But I got in that 820, just said, fuck it. This looks like this might be the chop zone. For a quick 13-point right there. I'm like barely in the red. I'm still red right now. I'm barely, though. I played it very lightly just because I wasn't super sold. With those rejections. Oh, yeah, see that time? No, I'm being careful now. But it could still, we are still in the chop zone. The very bottom needs to break into orb. It needs to break back into orb, which is doing now. It is
Transfer
doing it
Spain
now.
or Team Spain. Nobody likes the French.
Yeah. Nobody likes the French right now.
Nobody likes the French.
Nobody. Man,
Hey
this
guys,
is where I
have
wanted to test the short before.
Huge fan over here. What are your thoughts on bookmap and deep charts? Hope it's okay to tag. I mean, it works. We've got some traders that I know that are very profitable with it. I'm not. I don't use it. But I know it works.
Luca uses book maps, and he's very good with it. I've heard of it. I'm familiar with it, but I've never used it.
I'm about to go short here.
Yeah, I'm actually. I tested the short already on that 820 rejection that I saw. Just 10 points right now. There's 12. So I'm slightly in the green now. I'm now $65 green. $65 green. Can't tell me what to do. You're not my mom. You're not my dad. 15 points, 16 points. And I got in late. I got in at 8:13. Like I got in late as hell. And now I am I'm up $57.
I'm gonna ride. I'm just gonna hold the shorts until 75 points.
There's my big old green for power hour right there. Big old green.
I'm gonna hold shorts for 75 points. Good luck, everybody else.
If
This
this
is
can stay
my
underneath
wealth charts. My wealth charts. I'm trading my wealth charts tournament account. So I'm either gonna get back. I'm gonna get probably into
golden MVG, bro. This might go golden. This needs to break 790. If it can break
put me
790,
in eighth place, or I'm popping my account.
Sorry,
Logan, are you a momentum
bro,
trader?
come
Yes.
on, start melting. I haven't seen a golden MVG in like 2 hours. This is the first one I've seen. So let's see if this can retest, maybe hold underneath 807 or fill it and reject it. If it does fill it, it could pull up to 820, 818 again to retest that break. So there it goes right now. And looks like it filled it. Ooh, not the best rejection. Oh God, she might go retest 820. Okay, yeah, pull back down. Come on, pull back down, pull back down. Yes, okay, that's looking good. That's looking good. I totally just DCA'd on that pull up though.
All the way down to 725.
Oh, there we go. Yes, there we go. That DCA was beautiful. I'm just trading. I'm having my fun right now, guys. Fuck it. Now I'm up. I don't even know how much I'm up now. Where's my piano? Where'd it go? Now I'm up. Now I'm up $260. Let's go. I totally did that shit. The 820 break was clean. That fill of the MVG. Looked for that rejection. Those who joined me yesterday, you guys should know what the students of mine know what I look for those gold MVGs. The fill, the rejection was clean. So now we're trapped between a level though. 792 needs to give out. That is a level that is currently holding. See if this thing breaks, then 780 is the next 5-minute level. Below that, 780 midline, 750. But let's see, this is still in an uptrend on the 5-minute. We are testing that 790 multiple times. I'm going to hold my last little runner at break even just to see, Go, 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 go. Break that 790, bitch. Do it. Do it.
What am I at?
That
I
level
am
is
at
2 points ahead, Jimmy. Okay, hit 92. It hit it right on the dot. It
10
just
points in
bounced
profit.
again.
10 points in profit. I'm not my stop. Yeah, I'm not even gonna put a stop loss. It's going to 725, and I'm gonna leave it.
Go, go, go. Melt, melt. We need to break that level. You tapped it right on the dot. Needs to really start melting through it. Come on. And then 780 is the next major area. It needs to break. 792.50. Here, let me post this so I kind of see it in the Discord. Just a screenshot. The screenshot. Well, that's what I'm looking at. If I see it retest 820, I want to see the rejection or the reaction there to
Hold the
retest
shorts.
potentially. If it does. But then if it doesn't, it'd be great. Break, 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 break. She's curling a little bit. Oh God, SPX is ripping through its levels. NQ is looking weak though, so that's kind of a good sign. It's kind of a very good sign. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna flatten this shit up now because it added a contract instead. Being an idiot, I actually got into an additional contract instead of it hitting my stop loss, but it was still green. All right. Ooh, she's gonna go. Come on, go break that 790. Break that 790.
725.
Go. 2-minute 3Z here. This might be the break. Yes. All right. Now we want to see it stay below. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Keep going, bro. Keep going. There's 780. 780 is the next major area that needs to break for me on my end.
We're up 20
That's
points.
780 and a quarter. Very nice, brother. I actually re-tapped in on that, but I'm going to just play the swings as they come and go. 780 needs to break next.
Joined the team a couple days ago and already learning a lot. Sitting on my hands for new after a rough morning.
Boom.
Good.
Good. Very good. 780 is the next area that needs to break. That's a 5-minute level. So it could get stuck here for a little bit. We could see some of that good old fashioned power hour range.
Javi, how was your workout today? How was the gym?
It was good, dude. I think I overdid it a little bit. I came back and almost threw up. So I went. So it's a 15-minute walk. It's a 15-minute walk to the gym and back. So I walked.
Nice.
I walked to and back, and I worked out for at least, I think it was like an hour or so.
Good.
And then I walked back. And then I got home, chugged some water, and then almost puked.
Nice. So here's a few recommendations. One, take it slow right now, right? Because the problem is that you haven't moved around or done any workouts or anything, and you gotta like take it like even if I go a month without working out, I'll go into the gym and I'll go super slow because you're gonna be super prone to injuries. You don't want that. You've got a bum knee right now, right? Take it slow. Take it slow.
Actually,
steady.
my knee is a lot better. Like it's weird.
Good.
I actually told my wife the other day, the knee pain that I was feeling after that fall, it's been gone for 2 days. Knocking on wood, right?
Yeah.
So,
But yeah, take it slow, take it easy. You don't need to kill yourself in the gym. Just build the repetition of even going and just getting through the reps and the rotation of things.
Yeah.
Just do that. As you progress in the weeks, then you can go hard. Then, and this is my opinion, I don't care what anybody says, once you start to build that conditioning, they're there every day, 5 days a week. I go to the gym in 3 feelings. One, either I feel like I'm going to throw up, or I feel like I'm going to shit myself, or I feel like I'm going to pass out. Every day I leave the gym with one of those 3 feelings. Throw up, shit my pants, or pass out. One of the 3
so
usually happens.
that's a good thing.
Or all 3.
Yeah.
Yesterday I did legs.
I did.
Almost shit myself.
I did upper body today. I was like, all right, let me do upper. So I did chest, arms, lower back a little bit. And then I did I did almost all my arms, chest, and I did a little abs. I did some abs, and I came home, and I did feel like I needed to take a shit very badly.
All right, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something, and a lot of big guys think it's necessary. I'll tell you this right now.
Okay. Yeah.
Do not need to work out your abs.
Okay.
You don't need to work out your abs.
Why?
I've worked out my abs a handful of times. Working out your abs isn't necessary right now. Just do compound lifts, and do everything else.
What's
Your
compound
abs
lift?
will naturally build from doing compound lifts and lifting weights. Abs are built in the kitchen anyway, so you're never going to see your abs until you've had dropped down to a certain body fat percentage. All you need to do is just eat healthy and do compound lifts, full body exercises and workouts. You're good. So don't worry about abs.
What is a compound lift? I'm an idiot.
Compound lift is like, which you're also not going to do right now. You're not going to do it, so I shouldn't even tell you about it. Squat, bench, deadlift, anything that's using multiple parts of your body at once. You're not going to do any of that right now. At your size, it is not healthy. It is not safe. What you need to do is individual muscle groups with minimum amount of movement involved in it. So machinery for you is your best bet right now. Using machines.
Yeah, that's kind of what I stuck to.
For now, until you build a sustainability in your joints, ligaments, and everything else, because you're going to be more prone to injury. You don't want to use any type of crazy free weights or anything that intense. If you're going to use free weights, use lightweight and focus on high repetitions. Do not do jumping jacks. This guy's an idiot. No, do not do any type of jumping movement.
Yeah, not at my size right now. I mean, I'm
No,
gonna kill
absolutely
whatever
do
is left
not
on my
do
knees if
anything
I
that's
do that.
requiring jumping. Do not do anything that's going to require you to be on one foot. Not at your size. You
Yeah.
cannot do anything that you will get hurt.
Yeah, I did like 10 minutes on the elliptical too before I was like, okay, you know what? I still got to walk 15 minutes back. So yeah, I understand the joint thing. Ooh, that nice push
Bobby's a
up
big boy, but I
for
had a
that.
client of mine that was over 500 pounds that I had coached once, and I helped him lose a lot of weight. He was over 500 pounds. You cannot put somebody through big plyometrics and movements and stuff that's going to cause potential injury. You can't. You have to go slow and steady and do other things that are going to work. All Hobby needs to do is do machines, each muscle group, work up a good sweat, build a little soreness, and then walk on a treadmill. Pretty much that's it. And then walk on a treadmill 30 to 45 minutes, low intensity, keep your heart rate at around a 65% exertion. That's it.
I caught that signal off of that 780 bounce for a quick little nibble. I'm now up almost 363 on power hour after the first loss. Again, this one's not one I called out because we were chit-chatting about the weight, but quantum and that 780 level had to take it. Had to take it all the way back up to 815. Yeah.
Were a trainer, had a training business.
Should I like? I feel because I'm feeling really motivated right now, right?
Okay.
And I know, like, I know my wife. You know, my wife and I want to get exhausted. Should I go? Like, I want to go every day to the gym this week. Is that safe for me? No.
No, no. This is what you should do right now. 3 days on, 1 day off, 2 days on, 1 day off. Do
3
that right
days
now.
on.
Or I guess if you don't have a set.
So 3 back to back.
So for you, 3 days on, 1 day off. 3 days on, 1 day off.
Okay. So 3
You
days
don't understand.
off. So
People don't
I could go
understand.
3 days in a row,
3 days in a row. Yep. 1 day off.
and then 1 day
3
off.
days in a row.
Okay.
1 day off. You don't understand how critical it is for you to rest. Trust me. People don't understand. You might feel completely good and motivated, and your body feels good. You need rest. I'm telling you, you need rest. Right? 3 days a week. Not 3 days a week. 3 days on, 1 day off. 3 days on, 1 day off. Right? That's how you want to rotate it. Keep doing it that way. And
Like
consistently
swimming in the
walking.
pool.
Walking is your best friend. Like I said, I went for a walk today. Every day you want to go for a walk. Try and get at least 2 miles in.
On my days off,
Walk,
swimming in the
walk.
pool would be okay. Like, I know
Swimming
that's
in the
kind of
pool
a
is great.
workout swimming, but
Swimming in the pool is great.
okay.
Yep.
Sweet. All right.
That's all
Yeah.
you look at the
By
water.
October, I want to look somewhat different. Like, I'm like, again, right after seeing that number yesterday, dude. Like, I haven't felt this motivated in a while. So like, I
talking about
went. I didn't want to. I didn't want to go to the gym, but I was like, "Fuck it, I'm going." And then I was like, "Fuck it, I'm gonna walk." I'm like, I'm not gonna take the easy road. I'm not gonna drive. I walked 15 minutes to the gym, 15 minutes back, and I
You
felt
should
really
you should
proud of
set that as
myself
a
after
standard
that.
from now on. No matter what, unless there's
Yeah.
a thunderstorm, that should be your standard regardless.
Yeah.
If I could walk to the gym, I would walk to the gym. Unfortunately, it's 20 minutes on the highway. So,
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you don't want to do that shit. Yeah.
correct. What Colin said, you're doing this for your
No.
kids.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You just need to set the standard. And I'll be honest with you, like, not wanting to go to the gym, like, fuck, dude, I still don't want to go to the gym. Like, sometimes, like, I just don't. I fucking hate it. Sometimes I don't
Yeah.
want to go. I'm like, I have to go. And like right now, I actually feel the best I've felt in a long time because I'm back on my shit. Also, fucking all of June, I was drinking. For being honest here, I was drinking a lot in June. And now I'm 2 weeks, 10 days, 10 days, super clean, eating super healthy, vitamins. Yesterday, I went to bed at 10 o'clock, woke up at 5. I felt great. Fucking went for a walk, had water, vitamins, supplements, eating super healthy. I feel good.
I like this thing that you put. Like, me losing weight makes me white. I'm gonna look like the whitest guy ever. Definitely not gonna lose 81 pounds and look like that. I already know what I look like at 250. I need to lose about the same weight. 200 plus pounds is what I need to lose. And I'm gonna do it right. Not a race.
How's that no stop loss going? Oh no, I'm getting cooked right now. Short. I guess I'm just gonna hold it. We get to
I
75,
took
25.
that. I took that 80 bounce, but I waited for Quantum to give me confirmation.
Logan, send me
Start
your
withdrawing
regiment.
it. Yeah.
Well, so yesterday I did quads and calves. Day before that was an off day. Day before that was arms. Today I'm doing chest, tries, and shoulders. A little bit of shoulders. Do some incline dumbbells, flat dumbbells, pec deck, French press, some meadows.
In God I trust. If I can't go to the gym right now, what in-home movements can I do?
Why can't you go to the gym?
Yeah, that's the question I have, like as well. Calisthenics.
I don't want to hear anybody ever fucking say you don't have time to go to the gym. I'm sorry, but that's a cop out. That is a cop out. Oh, but I have kids. Oh, but I have a business. I don't care. I've done all of it. I didn't have kids, but like I had to take care of a bunch of other shit and do a bunch of stuff. I was working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week in Afghanistan while having to manage a bunch of other shit, and I still made it to the gym. It's a fucking cop out.
It was good, Kayvon. It was good. Summertime, kids out of school, no babysitter.
You also don't need a gym though. I mean, you technically don't need a gym. Push-ups, sit-ups,
Yeah.
squats, walking. But to say you can't make it to the gym, that's a cop out.
There's a really nice, fun workout thing. It's mainly cardio for the VR thing. Well, actually they discontinued it. Never mind. It was fun, but I don't know how they're doing it. How they're gonna do the new one. It was called what was that thing called? Supernatural. That thing was great, but then Meta said, "Fuck, everyone's gonna be a fat ass."
You do jujitsu
Meta
and
just
you're
took it off.
No, I don't do any jujitsu. I'm not a big fan of rolling around on the ground with other men. See how many people I trigger. See how many people I trigger with that. Let's see
Yeah.
how many people I trigger with that.
It's like it's not gay. Just grab a little bit of ass when you're rumbling and tumbling with jujitsu, right?
No, I'm kidding. I fuck with jujitsu. My sister.
Dude, I love all the videos I be watching though, like of sometimes with like grappling techniques, right? Where they're like, "Oh, I've been training for this my entire life," and they get on the floor. They get on the floor and they're like, "Come on, come at me!" While the guy's like running away with your wallet and your purse and your shit. I love those things. Always like, yeah. And then those guys that do those techniques. Have you seen all those like fight guru people that do the slap ass thing? They're like I'm like, bro, I'm like that shit's not gonna fucking work in a real actual fight. Like just like come on, like I'm like, and people buy it. The slap ass right in school. Oh man. Like all these like things are just hilarious. Like they're good for movies, right? They're good for visuals, but not for real life, man. Like for real life, those things are just they look so stupid to me. The tappy tap guys, one of the Reaper, yeah. The tap 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 tap. I'm like, come on, bro. Mama, mama. Let's see what you want to do. The 1 minute is testing its peak here. So if it can't break back over 830, this would be a potential lower high here. The 2 minute would be the same, but the 2 minute can go a little deeper actually. The 2 minute can go up to 840-ish. The 5 minute is still in an uptrend. So the 1 and the 2 are fighting the 5 minute uptrend. So it's kind of in a funky area, but I did take that freaking 780 bounce. I didn't even enter at 780. I entered at 790,
Go shoot more
797.
stock market wolf. I want to. Andy's the man. Him and I talk about it all the time. We message each other about it to go shooting together. Andy's
Yeah.
cool as fuck. I want to go shooting with him. I got to make a trip out there to California.
Looks like it's breaking. Might be the 5 minutes in charge. California knows how to party. California. Oh yeah, that worked. I just took a little long there for 10 points right there. Bam. 5 minutes in charge. Just made $120 on another account. Fuck yeah. Go to Compton. It's better than Beverly Hills. Compton.
Why would Hobby go to Compton?
Get shot up. That's where what's his name's from. That rapper that does movies too. He was in John Wick. What was his name? What's that dude's name? Right, he was from Compton, wasn't he? I think I might be confused. Oh my god, what was his name? Not Ice Cube. No, Ice Cube was not in John Wick. The other guy, the bald dude. Not Kendrick Lamar. Kendrick wasn't in John. Common. There you go. Common. Yeah, Common. Right. He's from Compton, right? Oh, he's from Chicago. I knew I fucked it up.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. The shits never end.
Nah, you know what though? Like I've been through the hoods and stuff. I think I'll survive. I'm not gonna fuck with people. That's the thing. I just stick to myself. I'll drive by. I'll walk by. And,
357 bitches, big, small, million of them.
just don't get involved, and you're good. I'm gonna let one runner run just to see if that 5 minute wants to keep going or not. Hey, Golden MVG just appeared too. So let's see if this wants to hold above 828. 828, 825. Keep
God,
going.
Got the shotty to the body. What's Logan's type? I don't have a type. She's just got to be born a female, and in
He's
shape.
got to be born a female.
She's got to be born a female, and she works out a little bit, and that's like the bare minimum.
I straight up heard like that
Green
was
10,
almost
let's
like
go.
a moment. That was almost like a moment from Tropic Thunder where he's like, "What's his name? Lance."
Yeah, I would prefer her
Lance.
to have her own cash flow.
No, I said Nance. It was Nance.
Someone that makes him feel dainty, definitely. That would be no. If she's bigger than me, it's going to be a no for me, dog. Logan, have you ever been to Brooklyn? Yeah, of course.
No She-Hulks.
Family lived in New York.
She-Hulk
Logan, that's a type, bro.
got sad. Legs or breasts?
Legs or
breasts?
breasts? Does she have to give you massages? What? Y'all are weird. You guys are weird.
We know
Logan,
Aniki's
you're
a
single?
boob guy.
Yes, I am single. I have a terrible
All them
personality.
animes. Yeah, they're going to MVG field and it bounced. That was a fast bounce too. But we still just hanging out.
What happened to Poo Farts? There was a personality clash, and I didn't think it was going to work out. So,
we need to break over. I didn't mark this guy. I did not mark this guy here. 836. We have a purple boy. 836.25. Ooh, good thing that was a quick scalp. That's what we're rejecting right now.
And wait, I thought Logan had a girl whose trading is really good. So no. There is a weird statistic that every time I ended a relationship, I had my best month trading.
Yeah, you're right.
We're 2 for 2 right now.
All right,
Pretty weird.
who's gonna be the next one that's gonna hold him down for a little bit and then break up, and he's gonna go through another generational run. Got to keep the pattern going. So you're
Well, right now,
multi-millionaire.
right? It happens once.
Multi.
Got it. Happens twice. It's a coincidence. Happens a third time. It's a trend. So.
Yep.
I'd like it not to happen a third time, but if it does, sorry.
Yeah, that'll be called. Yeah, one of the guys said Strat 7. That'll be called Strat 7 right there.
Yeah, it's Strat 7. Who will be the next
Pedro,
Logan prophet?
in your fucking DMs. Pedro, get the fuck out of here. Pedro.
Pedro, you would not be the rebound. I can confidently tell you,
Yeah.
Pedro, any girl that I've ever dated will not be like, this is a good rebound and pick you.
You wouldn't. Yeah, you wouldn't even be like, you know, like if there was like, you know, a dude out there looking for a rebound. I don't think a dude would pick you for a rebound either.
Logan, what's your
Come on,
take
Pedro.
in the Alpha rug pull? It's a shame. It's a shame. I was a big fan of Alpha, but I also was one of the people. They owed me $10,000. It is what it is. But here's the thing: I can sit here and I can harp on it. I can let it affect my trading, or I can just be happy that we have a bunch of other great partners to work with, and I'm going to focus on them. You know what I mean? I think Flames and Logan.
Free Pedro.
Flames is a lesbian, right? Logan, do you have an age preference? 25 and up? Legally rent, yeah, 25 and up at least.
25 and no limit, 100.
Oh,
80,
I guess
70, 60.
I guess
You
30.
actually, about to explode.
Not my most recent girlfriend, but the two before that were older than me by a year or two. So 25 to 35. Yeah, right.
Sorry, all
100
your
years
old hags.
Totally cool.
All the old hags. You just got your hearts broken.
What happened with Alpha? They went under, basically. I don't know.
Sorry, Betty White's.
Flames' wife is also hotter than Logan. Okay. Who wants to be Logan's next girlfriend? You also have to have your best month ever. 100K month from trading.
Oh, is this going to be the flip of the trend?
One night stand for a 10K month.
What?
I don't know. It sounds like Aniki's
10K month is not enough.
He's I don't even know if I can say this on YouTube. That he's oh, yeah, I'm not gonna say the word.
Type it in the Discord.
Would you want a woman who was prior active duty or doesn't matter? That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Oh shit! It was. She dropped a little bit.
I've dated women who served and women who didn't serve in the military.
Serve these nuts.
Yeah, or shallow. I'd stay with him until he dumped me, and not just a one-night stand. Thanks, Kyle.
Kyle, yeah. Kyle coming in. Oh, damn, she dumped. Oh, shit. I'm in this. I
haven't gotten out of it. I let it pull up a
serious,
ton.
bro? You took the whole
haven't gotten
thing?
out. I told you I'm holding it until 725. I said I'm losing this account or I'm hitting 725. But I had a 20.
I am now up almost $700 on Power Hour.
Don't get a trader girlfriend because you can't trade from the same IP address.
These two accounts. Almost 700. Got one runner running.
Hey, you could. Yeah, we would just. If I had a trader girlfriend, we would just have different props. I would trade different props.
Oh shit! This is a good girl.
Yeah, also, I'd probably be pushed live with that prop, and then I'd have a conversation with the prop saying, "I'm live. My girlfriend is going to trade." Actually, they probably would say
break 80.
Yeah, we would just have to do different
break
props.
780. I wanted to stay underneath 792 and break freaking 780 and just drop already.
I would only date a girl who's a trader if she's as profitable or close to being as profitable as me, though. I'm not trying to fucking carry your ass in trading.
I just went all the way back to that boat. I don't care. Everyone can tell me shut up or whatever. No, I will never shut up. Keep going. Keep going.
725.
Keep fucking going. The next area for me is 768.
I let it pull up 38 points. If it hits 75 points, it's almost a 2-to-1 multiple. That's not bad trading.
That's true. He's not wrong there.
2-to-1 multiple.
He is not wrong there. All right.
Yeah, I didn't have any accounts to trade. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't have any accounts to trade for the Power Hour, so I'm just messing around with this challenge account. So sorry if I'm like
holding on again.
I'm trading serious right now.
It did not want to stay under that 5-minute needs to close under 780, or it's just going to keep messing around. It might look for another. It might pull up a little bit, do a little searching on the lower time frames again. I don't know. Power Hour is very choppy. But 792 needs to hold for me, but we need to break that 780 underneath 780 on the 5. That needs to go. Still got my one runner live.
Happy
Giving
anniversary, Dave.
accounts
I
for
bought you 100 shares
anniversaries.
of Google.
Nope. There goes my runner. Wah, wah. Runner taken out for now. I mean, it's still looking good. It still looks like the 5 minute did flip. It just created a lower high. So let's see where it tries to retest up a little bit. It just strat 6 me, you bitch. Okay, anyways, giving the I'm going to sell. Anyone have issues with well-trust bracket orders? I don't know how to use them, man. I mean, tell them. Happy anniversary, babe. I bought you 100 shares of Google. Yeah. You gotta be super rich. Many. Will you coach me? You've been killing the predictions. I'm going with it's selling off. Well, I'm going with it's gonna do what it wants to do. It's gonna do both, right? It's gonna sell off for a moment, then buy up for a moment, then sell up, then buy up, then sell up, then buy up, and then eventually you're gonna have a big move. How's that for prediction? Oh, look at that sell up happening, guys, right now. Look at that sell up. It still
seeing
needs
off
to
my
break that
entry.
780 on the 5.
We're back at my entry.
Needs to break the 5, right? Market does the market. Market does what the market does, okay, y'all? There's no controlling it. You can guess 50-50 and you might get it right.
How many
But
women are there that are
precision
profitable?
levels is gangsta.
I mean, that's such a, I don't know. Who here is a female and a profitable trader?
Thicketh.
Who here?
We'll do a
Flames. I know you are, Flames. D.
bachelorettes.
Who else?
Bachelorettes.
Tara.
Come on up.
Lady Bay. Yep. Yep. I know they are because I've seen all their stuff, their payouts too. Seen them, their profits and stuff. Yep. Ellis is
D.
there. Is he? Is it an MOT? Tory Trades isn't an MOT.
Gotta be an MOT, I guess. Gotta be an MOT, y'all.
I also don't know. Tory Trades, I don't know if she is or not because I don't know how her trades work.
Oh, unless she's doing some insanely really
Baby trader, you're
good
trolling me.
edits, she's
You're
definitely
trolling
very
me.
profitable with her. She actually showed her live
When
receipts.
Logan does a
Crazy.
call to action for women, they all show up, but Max can't get a single busty Asian. I don't think any of these girls. I don't think any of these girls. I'm also not like who's a busty Asian on here that wants to tell me.
Yeah.
I also don't think. Maybe I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they are. I don't know.
Max tries
Tory
to
Trades is
summon
single.
them.
I'm aware Tory Trades is single because every other post she puts on Instagram is telling everybody that she's single. It's like, dude.
Yep. She's been hinting it. She's been hinting on it, bro. I'm telling you.
Good on
If you guys don't get married, I'm gonna stay
Maybe a
fat
no
forever.
For me, dog. It's gonna be a no for me, dog.
Oh man.
Is that a real thing, busty Asian?
God, people hating on saying that she's not that cute. Come on, for real. Like some of y'all, I swear, like y'all see somebody on
I'm
TV
surprised.
or social media and be like, she ain't that good looking, and then all of a sudden you see them in person, you'd be like, you'd switch your flip. Or flip your switch. I
She's
just
got
said
money,
that
she's cute.
completely back.
I've got money. I don't. That Athena says it's not her type.
I'll let my wife teach
Athena
her
and I
that,
have the same
text
type.
her.
So Athena says no. I agree.
wait.
Sam
You
says
and
we're talking
Athena
about
have the
chicks, not
same
dudes.
type?
Sam, let's not forget that you've been trying to get me to watch Korean dramas, and you also said guns are gay. So let's not forget that, Sam. I
Which
have
Korean
students
dramas?
proof and
Some of them
evidence that you
actually
said
pretty
guns
good.
are gay. So I don't want to hear from you, Sam.
Guns.
We all heard it. Students saw it. You deleted the message. So I don't want to hear from you.
Oh man. Damn. Dude, that 780 level is holding strong.
Noodler girl?
Could
You
not
just pick a random
break it.
person who's hunting catfish and you're like, what about this one?
How about Hannah Barron?
It's
I never heard of her. She looks like any regular teenage white girl.
right. People are weird.
Yep. Got a
Guys,
bunch of them down in Tennessee.
I'm not actively looking. If it shows up on in front of me, cool. But I'm not actively looking. I'm
Ethan, you mean
focusing,
Michael Obama. Michael, not,
focusing on
not
myself.
Michelle.
Logan, you
Michael.
single? Yes, I'm single.
No, she doesn't look like any normal teenage white. Yeah, she does. I've seen like 50 of them.
My wife chose me, made it really easy. Yeah, that works.
That's
I don't
kind
really.
of.
I don't have the time.
I know,
to,
right, Athena? Isn't it crazy though that you could say that, right? They're young, and again, right? Yeah, it's just one of those things. It's like you. That's my fear. Is my girls when they become teenagers, guys looking at them doing all this stuff. I'm terrified of that, brother. I'm so fucking terrified of that.
here's what here's
So
all you need
fucking
to do.
terrified.
Here's what you need to do. And I can't say this because
Oh,
I'm not a father yet. This is what my plan
well,
was.
she looks
This
young
is
if
what my
she's
plan
30.
is. Once I have a daughter, because inevitably I'm going to be, God's going to be like, Logan, we're going to give you fucking 4 daughters. And I'm going to be like, fuck. And that's what's going to happen.
God,
And so it's going to happen.
two's
So
already fucking crazy.
here's what I'm going to do. I am just going to raise my daughters like absolute princesses and give them everything they want all the time and spoil the fuck out of them so that some slimy loser of a dude will never impress them. They'll never be
That's what
impressed
I've been doing.
because
My wife's
daddy
kind of against it a
gave
little
them
bit,
everything they want. Daddy treated them like a princess. Daddy bought them all the nice things. Daddy took them out everywhere, gave them everything they wanted. So then she doesn't need to do something crazy like OnlyFans, and she doesn't need some sleazy loser of a dude trying to impress her with flashy things. Because guess what? Daddy already bought that for me. Daddy already gave that to me. Who are you? You're just a sleazy bum. That's my plan. So that's what you should do, Bobby. Just give your daughters everything, spoil the fuck. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's what I've been
My
doing.
daughters are gonna be
Oh,
fucking
yeah.
princesses, and they're never gonna have to work a day in their life, and they're gonna have the best thing ever. My sons are gonna have a tough life. I'm gonna be honest with you. My sons are gonna struggle. They're gonna have a hard
Reaper is
life.
not wrong though. Here's the thing, right? Because there's a balance. Because at the same time, right, I get that idea, but at the same time, you don't want them to grow up as spoiled brats either.
Why not?
So that's a struggle because, dude, then they're gonna be. I mean, come on, like you've seen some of them out there that just like they're gonna find a way to get whatever they want no matter what, and you can't say no to them, you can't discipline them, and they go out
That's not
there
true.
and just
That's not true. I have a
run
wife. I have a
amok.
wife. I have a wife. I'm just not gonna ever yell at my daughters. I'll fucking beat the shit out of my sons. I'll put my sons in their place. My daughters, you can deal with mom. If you're gonna,
Oh man.
you know, that's why I have a wife. My wife will take care of the daughters. I'll beat the shit out of my sons. My daughters are still going to be like highly educated. You know, they're going to be going to everything needed to be done, incredibly intelligent, right? I'm going to explain to them the fears and dangers of the world and everything like that, and have them a general
Yeah.
understanding of things. But I'm also going to give them everything they want.
Yeah, yeah. No, I definitely am trying to show them, or I'm insanely protected. I have nightmares again, right? My nightmares, my dreams are about losing my kids. Like those are the worst fucking dreams, and I hate that I don't wake up from them immediately. So when like I have these dreams of getting lost in the mall or a parking garage and not being able to find my car and then not being able to find my family, like the worst dreams ever. Those two, and I have them almost every other week, and it's frustrating. So
You know,
frustrating. But yeah.
everybody's like, we'll see when you become a parent. I know. Obviously, it's easier for me to say right now, but this is just my plan. We'll see how it works out. I don't know. I could be fucking
That's
just.
what
I don't
you
know.
would
I don't know.
do.
It could be. Then maybe none of this happens. I don't know. This is just my plan.
That's true. What my wife is saying. what you would say you're do and what you're actually gonna do is gonna be two different things once you actually have
Of
them,
course,
and they
absolutely,
test every second.
absolutely,
Yeah, they do.
absolutely. I absolutely agree.
Yeah.
Entering Power Hour LFG.
Especially our 4-year-old. Our 4-year-old, she's in this phase where crying, right? She just wants to yell and cry when she wants something. I want this. Huh? And she won't stop, and we just be there, and we'll listen, and then we'll keep telling her no, and she'll cry even worse, and then eventually she'll catch the hint because you don't want to give in when they're crying like that. Once you give in, then they think that every time they cry like that they're going to get what they want. But it's like she abuses the hell out of it, the hell out of it, and she'll cry for no reason at all. She'll cry when she hits her sister. She'll cry after we say, "Don't do that. Don't be mean to your sister," and then she'll start crying because we said, "Don't be mean to your sister." When she blatantly hits her or scratches her, it gets crazy. I'm raising mine to be feral and crazy, teaching them everything I know and more, so she's not impressed by any dusty ass son. There you go. That could work too, Josh. But when we ask you to download a gun,
Raheem,
you
$5
follow.
dono, eat during power hour.
Dude,
Appreciate that, Raheem. Good shit, dude.
they figured out how to download all these games on their tablets, and they want everything.
Constantly remind your
And
daughters that they are
now,
beautiful, smart, and you'll always be there. I don't need to
oh, yeah.
remind them because I'm just gonna do that with my daughters. My sons are gonna have a hard life. I'm just gonna be honest. My sons are gonna have a hard life because they need to understand
Dang, as
how
well.
difficult life is. My sons are gonna have a tough life. I'm gonna love my sons. I'm gonna take care of my sons, but they're gonna have a hard fucking life because they need to understand how life is because they're not gonna be given free shit. They're gonna have to earn it. You
There
sound
you
like
go,
Andrew
bank
Tate.
arbitrating.
That's
Teaching your
crazy.
6-year-old how to
I
trade.
just said that I'm gonna.
Fuck those
That's
dusty ass
crazy.
motherfuckers.
Whatever. Don't. Why would you? That's. I'm okay. My wife
You-
babies my son.
Woo.
I sure it's an awesome plan.
Man, that freaking 780 level held again. So
You don't
that's
want to
gonna be
have
an
brat
area to
for
watch.
daughters. I have 3 of those, and believe me, I am preparing them for real life, not for a princess. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just gonna make enough money where my daughters are gonna be trust fund babies. It is what it is. My sons,
It is what it is.
they're
Son
not.
is
My
willing to
daughters,
work the fields at 10.
I don't know what to
Yeah.
tell you.
Yeah. Daughters are the best daddies, girls. Yeah, but the wife gets annoyed. My the four the 5 year the oh my god, the 4-year-old right now, when my wife just hugs me or kisses me, she gets super jealous. She's like, yeah. She comes and bum rushes, tries to like rip her off of me. Like she is super duper jealous. The other one doesn't care. The older one doesn't care, but the younger one, oh my god, like she won't have it at all. Even if she's just hugging me, she'll be like, "Nope, my daddy, my daddy." Your wife hates it. Oh, man. I love it
Every
though. I
goat
love
and
it
eggs,
when she's
2
like,
million
"My
protein.
daddy."
Of course. Son needs tough discipline, but also that safe space to know they can trust you with anything. I was with you until you said safe space, but I know what you mean. I understand what you mean. Raising 3 kings. I respect that.
Have you ever eaten goat and eggs? Goat. I don't think I've ever had goat. Lamb chops aren't, right? Lamb chops are not goat.
It's Traders and Hitters podcast tonight, 5 p.m. Don't forget about that.
Thank you, Raheem, for that dono again, as usual.
Kids these days
Any
never had a middle
any
school
trades?
ed teacher call them up, and it really shows. Well, my
There were a
middle
couple trades
school
earlier.
gym teacher looked.
And we'll see at 3 minutes.
Yeah.
We're approaching
How'd the
this
well
level at
stretching interview go?
828.
Good. Every gentleman is
So,
alpha male, whereas
there were a
most
couple
alpha
trades
males are
earlier, but that was
first.
it.
Focus on being gentle, being humble, instead of obsessing over prehistoric construct. From Abhijit Naskar.
Who the hell's that guy? Why does he
Yeah,
look
what the
like
fuck
that
does that
comedian?
guy know? I mean, I agree. But who the fuck is that guy?
He looks like the Indian version of that guy in the office that was the maintenance worker. What was his name? Like he was funny as fuck. And then he did a bunch of movies.
Yeah.
The other one I'm talking about?
What's his name? I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah.
It was like the FedEx or delivery. Yeah, there he is. There he is. That guy right there. Yeah.
Craig Robinson, yeah.
Winter Berserker. It looks just like it looks just like him.
Kindness is very attractive. Well, yeah, nobody likes a dickhead. Yeah. Logan, is the Welchurch interview published somewhere? I don't know. Killer Chris, I'm be honest with you, I don't know.
Kindness is attractive, but you still have to be careful how kind you are, because you can set yourself up to be ridden all over by being too
What is
kind.
that saying?
Something that I've seen happen.
No stronger man
Lama.
or greater. No stronger man hath a man who has to sheath his. It's like something with like, you have to be able to be violent, but you keep your sword sheathed. I forgot what the exact
All
saying
right,
is.
2 minutes.
Capable of violence.
2 minutes for
sword
MOC.
sheathed at all times.
828 is that level on top. I would love to see it go test that,
And I'll be
and
your
then
warrior on a card.
780 all the way at the bottom. Well, we have 793 now. We have a level at 793 and 828. So let's see if MOC goes up to 828 first, and then potentially rejects it. Ta-ta-ta. That's the level we're closest to. So usually I expect to test at that level. We're already kind of close to it, so I'm not really interested in anything super heavy. The bottom would be 793. So it has a lot of room down if it does not want to go up and test it. So I'm going to be a little, again, when we're not near levels, I don't like to enter anything. I like to wait for the reaction. So unless we're close to 828, I'm not going to be interested in anything, because then it could go either direction. So we're just going to hang out in between the two, looks like. Literally 15 points almost from each direction, just about. Around 810 is the middle. The push up. So it looks like it might go test 828 first. Yeah, there's the push up to 828. It hit 824. So be careful here, because this could reject if it does not break through 828. Yep, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Rejection. I actually had a couple cells right there at 826 and actually picked them up, and I'm out. Wow. Now, and look where it hit. Look where it went down to. It went right down to 798, and 793 is that other level. So it could get trapped here and bounce around until it makes its decision on which direction it wants to go. So now I'm going to wait for either 828 to break or 793. That 780 was a very strong area earlier, but it has to break that top area first. Right in between, hanging out. Looks like she might go back to retest it or not. If it stays below 810, then you're going to get that pushback down, but it has to stay below it. Other than that, we just hit pretty clean level to level for MOC. Almost made it to 93. That 5-minute level kind of held it back. 803. So yeah, that's it. Where was that wick at? That wick
True
was at
man is not that he is capable of violence, but he is
826
capable of it
flat.
and chooses peace. Yeah, it's like along those lines.
Mm-hmm.
The problem nowadays with a lot of the world and society is that you'll meet group of people, and they want this like super passive and gentle person, right? And then you get into a scenario and they're like, I need a man in my life. And you want a man in your life, and then he's just not as passive or as gentle as you want it.
There's that push back to 28. Oh my gosh, I'm finessing this right now. Caught that little rejection. Now I got that little push up to 828.
Strong men make good times. Good times make strong.
Oh,
Yeah, good,
she's trying to
good
break.
times. Good times make weak men. Weak men make hard times. Hard times make strong men.
Hey, can you keep going here? Can you keep going? Come on, hold above 828 and just take off. Next area, honestly, it doesn't have much room. The next 1 minute level is all the way to 857, but it needs to get through that 840 where we rejected before as well. So let's see if it breaks and retests 28, and then it needs to break 840 next. And then it has potential room to get to that 5750 level. Bleeding right back down. Looks like she can't break through it. She's just stuck. Do we have any other major news happening this week? She's barely moving, honestly. For MLC, this is pretty much just a couple points up, couple points down. The rejection for May 27 gave you 20, actually gave you 30 points down. That's not horrible. And then the push back up was about 20 points. That was it. And now we're pushing back down. Yep, 809, 828. You saw it scat. Very nice. MOC thing with financial juice is that you need elite, not pro. The fuck does that mean? The hell did I just read? MOC thing with financial juice is that you need an elite, not pro, to time to upgrade. What the fuck does that mean? Oh. Yeah. That's an insta ban. Does he even know what MOC is?
This is just fucking torch I want.
What
What do you want?
was he posted?
Why are you guys calling me?
The MOC thing you need to upgrade for what? What do you need to upgrade for MOC? You don't need to upgrade.
Yeah, talk
jack
to the
shit, bro.
editors. I didn't nothing to do. You gotta talk to production. I gotta go. I'm so far.
No, do not
Yeah.
send me a DM, Storigo Nolani. You will be banned.
Gotta watch this.
Do not send me no DMs with any links. You will be booted out, brother. I've been reading MOC for over, what, a year now? How many days have I been trading MOC? I haven't needed to upgrade to jack shit. I've been calling every MOC play. Like, I've only lost maybe 5 out of almost 200. Like, I read them very, very well. I don't need to upgrade to nothing. So, like, what are you talking about? Like, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Are you new here?
They got the video of Coach just shooting at the
The market
ground.
on close is
They
what
posted
MOC
it.
is.
They got the video of Coach just shooting at the ground. Yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to like sneak in some other BS that you don't need for MOC, man. Straight up. You don't need anything. Like MOC for me is very, very simple. Very stupid simple. It's all about the levels. It's respecting these levels. It tested one, went straight down to the other. It's trapped in between, just chop the same chop we've been in all of Power Hour. It hasn't moved at all. The 28 rejection was clean, bounced right off of those 793. That 793.75 level I got, pushed right back up, rejected 740, and now it's just trapped. It's not moving at all. There's no movement. Sometimes you get explosive MOC, sometimes you don't. Today, just little 28s down, little 20 point up, and that was it. And 20 points is 20 points. Exactly, Scott. Take the 20 points. Be happy with it. And then you're not always going to get an explosive 130, 50 point move on MLC. Be happy with what you get. PPI tomorrow, that makes sense. Yeah, PPI, TSMC earnings tomorrow. That's why we're seeing this hesitation. That's why it's not moving. That makes perfect sense. That's PPI is a mover. So yeah, not surprised. That range here, that range that we had that nice little push down, and then that 780 held, and we're just trapped. We were trapped between that 780 and 780 and 840. Like I saw this chop zone kind of forming, but it wasn't crystal clear just yet. But 780 bounced 2 times, could not break over that 840, and we just got trapped inside that zone, the chop zone, as I call it. What's up, Joseph? Broly. Yeah, he's gonna. Yeah, I don't think I've ever met anybody named Broly yet. So he's gonna have a very unique name. Broly's not a bad sounding name. I like it. I know Latin American people name their kids Goku and Vegeta. Those names though they don't sound as good as Broly to me. Yeah, everyone's gonna call him bro for sure. Exactly. It's a badass name. Like I like it. Like of every anime name, Broly is probably the best fitting for an American name. Bruh. Yeah, bruh. He's gonna be a badass kid for sure. So that was it. And we're just probably gonna chop around. I'm probably not even gonna look for a 4 o'clock setup because we are surrounded by levels right now. 817, 803, 793, 794, 780, and above that 840 and 857. It is just surrounded. Unless this 780 finally wants to give out. But not with low volume. With low volume, it's going to be very risky. Look at that right now. It's just testing it and then kind of pushing up. But yeah, there goes. There was a 15-point push up right there if anybody was brave enough to take that shit. She's trying. I mean, there might be a 4 o'clock setup on that 780 break. But with low volume, and that was a strong area of bounce, I'm not gonna touch it. If it goes, I'll just watch. It'll be fun to watch. All right, let's do some giveaways, brother.
Yeah.
Do some giveaways. I need to go take a piss so badly right now. That's why I'm rocking my chair. Let's just do the giveaways.
Made Guard as an official future partner. I don't fucking know.
No, we don't know.
Oh. It's up to Max. It's up to Max if he likes them enough. Good shit on in the 365. Thank you, Dan. Appreciate that. All right, word of the day is what, Hobby? What's the word of the day on the YouTube?
Word of the day. Let's make it workout. Workout.
Workout. Word of the day is workout.
Did this guy actually still DM me even though I told him not to? Oh, he did. What an idiot. What an idiot. See that he was already taken care of.
get a number for the Discord.
All right, how many foods we got in here today, boy? 420. Ooh, my favorite number. 420. Haven't had a good old 420 in a while. 158. 158. Yeah, definitely can. I'm too elite.
Z trades.
He's trying to break that 780, but this is again with low volume, man. This is scary.
Scary name is hypothetical son. My firstborn will be named after my father. Winner on the YouTube, Philo King or Phila King 152. Phila King 152, congratulations. Access to any indicator free for an entire week. Next word on the YouTube is fucking YouTube. YouTube is the word on YouTube. YouTube.
YouTube is the word on YouTube. Easy one. Easy one.
Z Trades, come on up. There it is.
Just give me a second, guys.
Okay.
So tired. Why am I so tired?
I need to pee. Hurry up.
Hey. No.
Whoever makes me piss my pants is gonna be banned forever. No kidding. I'm kidding. What's up, brother?
Not much. Had to go out to the balcony because everybody's asleep.
Are you
Nice, man.
are you Mario, Luigi's Mario? It's a me.
No, a
Mario.
little. No, I'm Bulgarian. Like in the Balkans. Yeah, it's like midnight.
The accent sounds the same.
Maybe I've been locking in with Luca too much.
Maybe, yeah, maybe. Awesome, man. Well, open up a support ticket and go claim whatever the heck you just won. I need to go piss really bad. So I'm gonna get this shit over with.
Congratulations, dude. Open a support ticket. You won whatever we're giving out for something. All right.
Let's go, bro.
Gameplays tube. Congratulations. Gameplays tube on the YouTube. You want access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right, let's close out. No real trades for me, guys. I was just holding a fucking short forever, and it just wasn't playing out, and so no real trades for me.
I mean,
I didn't really feel
are you somewhat green right now? It's at 773. No. Oh, you got out of it already.
I haven't been paying attention, to be honest. I closed out. I didn't even see.
You closed it out.
I didn't even close the trade, so I don't know. Am I green? I probably am green.
You probably are green. I think you are. Your entry was like at
800. Oh yeah, I am green.
Yeah, you're green, dude. Yeah, he's green. Let's go.
Nice.
Look at that bounce from that area, though. Yeah, close it out, bro. Because that area.
Closing it out now. Yeah. Okay, cool. I made a little bit of money. Fucking whatever. With that being said, yeah, nothing really crazy for me on Power today.
Your timing, dude. Your timing was perfect.
Yeah. I'm done. That's all I got. CSO Battalion is now permanently 1250 forever, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Hobby, what do you got?
Join, make sure you guys check out our socials, X, TikTok, YouTube, and all that fun stuff, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you guys check out Quantum on my YouTube, Logan's for PHP. Like, subscribe. I already said that already. Oh my God, tip the staff, right? Quantum Elite, freaking Maestro Elites. I'll see you guys tonight, 8 o'clock. And that's it. Not financial advice with JJ's. Peace out.
Later. Run it. Anarchy.
Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on the gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to drip. Took a little trip, turned turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little tip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, one and shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. At my head, heat of my head, do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's the middle. At my head, heat of my head, do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's the middle. Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5